It's no need for a long intro. We're just gonna get right into it. Trapped in the bathroom today because why not? I'm gonna be doing a review on this wig that I got from an AliExpress company called LUVIN Hair. I'm gonna put it on, like I'm gonna install it as I'm reviewing it because it's not gonna take that long because this is a pretty easy going wig. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, you guys, so this wig is from LUVIN Hair. I don't know if I said that before. Hope I did. It's from LUVIN Hair. It's supposed to be like a HD 5x5 closure and a texture loose deep wave, and it's a 26-inch wig. And I'm 5'4" and like 3/4, so however long it looks on me will be different if you're taller, shorter, all that. So I already told you all the details. I'll make sure to put the links and stuff in the bio. This is not Instagram. The description box, and like I'll put some stuff on the screen too. But I ordered this wig from LUVIN Hair off of the AliExpress website, on the app from their direct store, about a month ago because I was going on vacation and I wanted a new wig. I was tired of wearing my own hair. And it was like $188, I believe, but I'll put the exact price up because I don't want to quote anything wrong. It was $188. So I've had it for a month. I've worn it a lot, but these past couple days I have not been taking care of her the way that she needs to be taken care of. So she was looking a little rough and needed to be brushed out. It has 3 combs, I believe. Oh no, 4. It has 4 combs. It has 2 on the side and then 1 in the back and 1 in the middle. I really don't use all of these, especially because it has this little band thing inside. But so far, like, I don't have any complaints, honestly. Like, this batch of hair that I've got, I'm just gonna put it on to see what she's looking like. See, like, it already looks good and I haven't done anything to it. I really don't have that many complaints. The only thing that I will say is this closure is a little bit, I don't know if it's really HD like they say it is. Like, I feel like it's giving regular closure. It's definitely not like very clockable, but I feel like people always want to put HD on stuff to make you buy it faster because you're like, ooh, HD, it's gonna be super, what lace, da 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 da. I don't think this is HD. I'm sorry. Maybe I could be wrong, but I don't think it's HD, me personally. But other than that, I don't have any complaints. Like, I still got the closure to a nice little, color, even though the bleaching process was a little ghetto. Not gonna fake. But this is good hair. Like, it's super soft. It rarely ever tangles. The only reason I had to brush out the nape was because, like, I really wasn't, like, taking care of it the way that I usually take care of curly hair, because when you have curly wigs, it will sometimes get a little tangle back there. So that's why I make sure that I'm, brushing it out, making sure I don't just leave my wig all willy-nilly anywhere or just throw it off, but that's what I was doing. So she was looking a little rough. She was looking a little rough, but we got her together. But yeah, like, I don't have no complaints about this wig. I can't speak for what anybody else's experiences were, because I am not them and they are not me. But me personally, I don't have no complaints, because every time I wet it, put a little something in it, she is perfect. Like, it just does what it needs to do. It's giving what it needs to give. It works for me. It works for me. I've had no major issues that will make me tell you not to buy this wig. I will say, when you're shopping at AliExpress, you do have to shop wisely. But if you know about AliExpress, you already know that. But if you're not an experienced AliExpress buyer, make sure you look at the reviews, because sometimes things look like something and it ain't, and you get a bad product and you like, what the fuck is this? This ain't what I ordered. So I would just be careful. Like, of course, don't just go buy stuff willy-nilly. Like, I don't encourage y'all to just buy everything that some people say is good, because you definitely should still do your research, because everybody gets different batches. But if you see some good reviews that you like, and you see good reviews on AliExpress, I say get it. And I say you can get this hair, because I got a good batch. But I don't know. Everybody, you know, everybody's experiences are different. So I don't want nobody coming into my comments cussing me out saying, you told me to buy this hair and this, da-da-da-da. Look, girl, I'm just telling you about my experience, okay? This is my personal experience with the hair that I bought, okay? I usually use the wig dealer spray, but I ran out, and every time I go to the hair store, it's none in the hair store. So I'm just gonna use Miss Got to Be Glue here. I feel like she's cool if you know that you need multiple layers. Don't be just putting on one little layer of Got to Be Glue and thinking that you're gonna be secure, because you're not. You're gonna need at least 3 layers, at least in my experience, because I've had a wig come off in the middle of a party. If you know me, you know. And that shit was embarrassing as hell. So if you're using Got to Be, use at least 3 layers. 3. Ooh. Child. Okay, so we just gonna pop her on like so, like that, like my auntie Tab would say. And really, I don't even really need to do the most to this wig, because y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. And really, honestly, this wig is like really voluminous too. I like that. First, I was a little scared because she was looking a little thin. But as time went on, you know, she got her act together and she realized that she needed to level up, okay? So I'm just gonna take some mousse, some Lotta Body. If y'all like this wig, go buy it. I say go buy it. It's cute. It's giving. It's low maintenance. It's not expensive, or at least it wasn't expensive when I bought it, because I know the prices fluctuate. So yeah, go buy this wig, sis. Now, if you want to, because I'm not pressuring you to do nothing that you don't want to do. If you still want to do some research, that's cool too. Hope to see you guys in another video. Thank you guys for all of your support. Once again, make sure if you haven't, subscribe to my channel. Watch other videos if you like me and you like my content and you want to see more. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.